just finished printing out these keycaps. Look at how clean they came out. This is right off the printer. I haven't done anything to them. I mean, I pulled them off. I did a little bit of string removals, nothing much. Wow. I mean, look at this 6 key. Oh my god. I mean, I gotta do a little rubbing with my fingers. Get the stringing off, but wow. Look at how clean that is. This is a 0.25 millimeter nozzle. Looks fantastic. Wow. Look at that. I mean, I got more back there. This is just the ones I pulled out. See those little string things stuck there? That'll come right off. Just a little bit back and forth. Do that later. Look at the plus. Wow. So clean. How did the calculator... I didn't even look at this. Look at the calculator. Yeah. That didn't come out as great as I'd hope. Oh, I guess it just needs some... Yeah. A little bit of rub work, and that should be good. Wow. 0.25 millimeter nozzle, 0.16 millimeter layer height. That is so clean. Holy cow.